that flag with our traditional air show opening. The Red Bull Air Force, a team assembled from the most accomplished and experienced aviation experts on the planet. They specialize in highly coordinated jump demonstrations and continually push the limits of human flight. You'll see them on TV and you'll see them on the internet doing some of those craziest things.
Whoa!
High above as we have jumpers away.
Hold on, I need to refocus.
Full free fall speeds in excess of 120 miles an hour. They'll pull on a small leather ball located at their left hip and deploy those high flying canopies of the Red Bull Air Force.
This is insane. Holy. Whoa!
A magnificent sight high above as Luke Aikens unfurls the American flag. And as you can see, Rob Holland and Mike Gooley, they circle with their smoke. Joining us on the stand today, Ginger Lee Smith, as she prepares to sing our national anthem. And Ginger, what a pleasure to have you here at the 2021 Great State of Maine Air Show.
Luke, thank you so much. And could we please have a warm welcome for Luke and his absolutely fantastic narration. Really dive into the show. It's a pleasure and an honor to have him here in Brunswick, Maine. Brunswick, Maine is where my father served in the Navy and why I'm here today. He served 30 years as a Master Chief, and it's a thrill and humble and honor to offer our national
This is
anthem.
freaking awesome.
Beautiful song. I asked a simple question. On the morning following a hard-fought battle, was our flag still there? We know that it absolutely was. It's just unfurling beautifully today. It's my honor to offer our national anthem, and I dedicate it to the fierce team lost in Afghanistan. With the Bible verse, John 15:13, greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friend. Please rise, remove your hats, and as we present our anthem.